Hey there everyone, I'm Micah and I'm back here again for another video, and today we're talking about TikTok. TikTok isn't just for dance trends and memes anymore. It's now one of the biggest online marketplaces in the US. And if you're running an e-commerce brand or thinking of starting one, 2025 is definitely the year to start selling on TikTok Shop. In this video, I'll break down what's happening on TikTok Shop in the US right now, why it's growing so fast, and how it's changing e-commerce completely. No setup tutorial, just straight insights so you can understand the opportunity before everyone else jumps in. Let's get started. TikTok Shop is exploding in the US. So first, the growth is insane. TikTok Shop officially rolled out across the US in 2023, but by early 2025, it's already one of the fastest growing e-commerce platforms in the country. Recent reports show over 150 million monthly TikTok users in the US, and TikTok Shop is now integrated directly into their feed, meaning people can watch a video and buy instantly without leaving the app. It's like if Instagram and Amazon had a baby. That built-in shopping experience is why brands, from small creators to big names, are moving fast to claim their space. You get built-in traffic, no need to chase ads. One of the biggest struggles for new sellers is traffic. You build a Shopify store, but then what? You have to spend on ads, SEO, influencer marketing. It adds up. But with TikTok Shop, your products are shown directly inside TikTok's For You feed. So the audience is already there. You're not pulling people off social media to your website. You're selling right where they already scroll for hours a day. And the best part, the algorithm promotes posts that convert. If your product video performs well, TikTok pushes it to more users automatically. Free traffic built right in. As you can see here from the data, an average daily time on app globally is 58 minutes, while users in the US, specifically iPhone users, spend up to 62 minutes per day. And users open the app 15.4 times per day. Engagement per session, 15 minutes. So compared to platforms like Instagram, TikTok is really booming right now and just winning. Even here in the Philippines, where I'm currently located, everyone's really using TikTok. Even I barely use Instagram or Facebook anymore. Because with TikTok, I get actual people using products. I could just buy them there. Like, I can add to cart and buy the product and ships to me. So just see how much easy that is for customers, for users to just, you see a video, you like the product, you buy it. You don't have to search for the product outside of it. You can just buy it on TikTok. That's how freaking insane TikTok is right now. Short videos equals high buyer intent. So like what I said, here's what makes TikTok different from Amazon or eBay. It's not about boring product listings. People see the product in action. They watch real people use it, react to it, and show results. That's why it feels so authentic. So this creates higher buyer intent. Users are not just browsing, they're emotionally influenced by the content. And according to TikTok's own data, 71% of users say they made a purchase after seeing a product on their For You page. And that's actually me. When I see the product, I see how good the product is when they use it, then I buy it. Easy as that. And yeah, that's wild, and it's why TikTok Shop ads perform better, even with smaller budgets compared to Facebook or Google, because everyone's really on TikTok right now. So as you can see here, last data from this year, 79.3% of TikTok Shop sales in the US are health and beauty products. TikTok is now the fourth most popular social commerce platform in the US with 8.2% of online consumers using the site for shopping in 2023. And from here, 43.8% of TikTok users in the US made at least one social e-commerce purchase on the platform in 2024. Lower ad cost plus easier virality. Again, like I said a while ago, another major benefit is lower ad cost. Compared to Meta and Google, TikTok CPMs, or cost per thousand views, are still much cheaper. And because of the platform's viral nature, even organic videos can explode overnight. We've seen small brands sell out products in a weekend just because one UGC-style TikTok went viral. And that's the power of TikTok's algorithm. It gives smaller creators and new brands a fair chance to get seen. Creator partnerships make it easy to scale. This is actually one of the biggest reasons to join now. TikTok's affiliate program connects sellers with creators instantly. You don't need a massive influencer budget. Creators can pick your product, promote it in their content, and earn a commission per sale. It's literally plug and play influencer marketing, and it works because it feels authentic. So if you're a small brand or even just starting out, you can leverage the power of TikTok creators to grow without hiring a marketing team. It's still early, and here's the part people overlook. It's still early in the US. While TikTok Shop has already exploded in Southeast Asia, just like what I said here in the Philippines, and the UK, the American market is just now hitting its momentum. That means less competition, lower ad cost, and more opportunity to stand out, especially in trending niches like beauty, gadgets, home, and wellness. So that's why you should start selling on TikTok Shop in 2025. You're getting built-in traffic, cheaper ads, high buyer intent, and creator partnerships, all inside one platform that's growing faster than any other social app right now. If you've been thinking about starting your own store or adding another sales channel to your brand, TikTok Shop is where the attention is. And attention equals opportunity. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe and follow us for more e-commerce tips.